there, this is Jennifer Vanderbeek, Imagine Artist in Residence, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I created this very vibrant card featuring trumpet flowers. Our color challenge this month was Sangria, and somehow I got it into my head that I wanted to make a card with a large spray of trumpet flowers. I did not have a stamp that was a large spray of trumpet flowers, so I ended up creating one. So I'm using a hand-carved stamp for this project. Obviously, that's not a prerequisite. Any floral spray will work for this, or any floral stamp set that you have that you can put together your own design. I've stamped the outline image in VersaFine Clair in that wonderful Nocturne black, and then I'm going to do a couple of different techniques using memento markers. So I'm starting with Angel Pink for my trumpet flowers, and then embellishing them with rhubarb stalk. And I'm doing the marker ink blending technique to create that middle ground between those two very different shades, as well as going in with some pen flicking to create the different tones within the one flower. I'm doing a similar thing on the leaves. There's so many of them, but they're kind of small, so I'm not doing the ink blending on there, but I am using Pear Tart under bamboo leaves and that same brush flick coloring technique so that the Pear Tart really shows up almost more as highlights, even though, of course, we put down that color first. I'm doing the same ink blending technique on the banner at the base of my floral spray, and actually I ended up letting everything dry and then going back and doing a second pass with the ink blending to really deepen those shades so that the leaves and the flower and the folds in the banner really popped. Once it was all colored, I fussy cut it and then went back with my memento marker in Tuxedo Black to make sure all of the edges, there were no white edges left. This deepens those outlines and really makes it pop against the background that I've chosen. So I kept the card itself simple with a black card base topped with a slightly smaller piece of green embossed cardstock that complemented the leaf colors. It's very similar, in fact, to the Pear Tart. I love that even though only 5 or 6 markers were used total, the combination of them with the heavy black outlines against a lighter background, I just think that it makes for a very striking card. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it has sparked something for you. And as always, for more ideas and inspiration, please point your browsers to imaginecrafts.com.